Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a device that's redefining the smartphone world. It's the world's first triple folding smartphone, none other than the Huawei Mate XT. Whether you're into tech, love multitasking, or just want to see the future of mobile technology, stick around because this phone has a lot to offer. Let's start with the design. The Huawei Mate XT has a triple folding mechanism, allowing you to switch between 3 sizes. When fully unfolded, it transforms into a massive 10.2-inch display. That's tablet territory, perfect for watching videos, working, or even gaming. But if you're just doing some quick tasks, fold it once, and you've got a more manageable 7.9-inch display. And if you want a regular phone feel, fold it twice, and it shrinks down to 6.4 inches, perfect for one-handed use. Now, the screen itself is stunning. It's a flexible LTPO OLED that supports 1 billion colors and has a super smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. So whether you're scrolling through apps or watching high-res content, the visuals are top-notch. Under the hood, this phone is a beast. It's powered by Huawei's Kirin 9010 chipset with 16 GB of RAM. That means whether you're multitasking, gaming, or running intensive apps, the Mate XT handles it effortlessly. It comes with storage options ranging from 256 GB to a whopping 1 TB, plenty of space for all your apps, photos, and videos. Plus, it's running on Harmony OS 4.2, which is designed to be fast and efficient, offering a seamless experience. Now let's talk cameras, because the Mate XT doesn't disappoint. On the back, you get a powerful triple camera setup. There's a 50mm main sensor with optical image stabilization and a variable aperture, giving you crisp, detailed shots no matter the lighting. Then you've got a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens for capturing those beautiful landscapes or group photos, and a 12-megapixel periscope telephoto camera with 5.5 times optical zoom, perfect for getting those distant details. And for the selfie lovers out there, there's an 8-megapixel front camera tucked neatly in a hole punch cutout. Whether it's selfies or video calls, this camera's got you covered. All that power needs a reliable battery, and the Mate XT delivers with a 5600 mAh battery. You'll get plenty of juice to get you through the day. When it's time to charge, you've got options. There's 66-watt wired charging, which is super fast. Or you can go wireless with 50-watt wireless charging. Plus, reverse wireless charging lets you charge other devices straight from your phone. In terms of connectivity, the Mate XT is future-ready with 5G, so you'll get blazing fast internet speeds. It's also packed with Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, and everything you'd expect from a flagship device. One more thing that's worth mentioning. This phone weighs just 298 grams, and it's incredibly thin when unfolded, making it easy to carry despite its large screen. And of course, it comes in 2 sleek color options, red and black. Now, let's talk pricing. The base model starts at around $2,800, and for those who need even more storage, it can go up to $3,270 for the 1 terabyte variant. Yeah, it's on the pricier side, but considering the innovation, performance, and design packed into this phone, it's a serious contender for anyone looking for the next big thing in mobile tech. So, what do you think? Is the Huawei Mate XT the future of smartphones? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech reviews, and as always, thanks for watching.